Flight SK-84 to robot dystopia is departing in Alireza species in their habitats. Despite their size, hippos are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. They have a unique adaptation where their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned on the top of their heads, allowing them to see, hear, and breathe while mostly submerged. Hippos secrete a thick, pinkish oil from their skin, which acts as a natural sunscreen and moisturizer. They are primarily nocturnal, spending the nights grazing on grasses and other vegetation. Hippos are known to travel several kilometers in search of food, especially during the dry season when water sources shrink. Despite their size, hippos can run at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, 19 miles per hour, for short distances. They have few natural predators, but young calves may be targeted by lions, crocodiles, and hyenas. Hippos have been depicted in various cultures throughout history, often symbolizing power, fertility, or aggression. Ancient Egyptians associated hippos with fertility and protection, often depicting them in art and mythology. In some African cultures, hippos are considered sacred animals, and their meat and hides are used in traditional ceremonies. Despite their large size, hippos are surprisingly agile and can navigate through dense vegetation with ease. They are capable of vocalizing both above and below water, using their unique nostril flapping behavior to produce sound. Hippos have highly developed senses of smell, hearing, and touch, which they use to navigate their environment and communicate with other hippos. They have specialized adaptations for underwater hearing, allowing them to detect low-frequency sounds and vibrations. Hippos are known to engage in playful behaviors, including mock fights and games of chase. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. Hippos are territorial animals and will defend their territories from intruders, including other hippos and predators. They have excellent night vision, which helps them navigate and forage in low-light conditions. Hippos have a thick layer of fat beneath their skin, which provides insulation and buoyancy in the water. Despite their large size, hippos are surprisingly fast swimmers and can easily outrun most predators in the water. They have specialized adaptations for underwater navigation, including streamlined bodies and webbed feet. Hippos are highly adaptable animals and can thrive in a variety of habitats, from rivers and lakes to swamps and marshes. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems by grazing on aquatic vegetation and controlling plant growth. Hippos are considered a keystone species in their habitats, meaning they have a disproportionately large impact on their environment compared to their abundance. They have few natural predators, but young calves may be targeted by lions, crocodiles, and hyenas. Hippos are social animals and live in groups called pods, which can consist of up to 30 individuals. Within a pod, there is a dominant male known as the bull, who defends his territory and mates. Female hippos give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 8 months. Calves are born underwater and are able to swim shortly after birth. Hippos are known for their loud vocalizations, including grunts, bellows, and snorts, used for communication. Despite their mostly herbivorous diet, hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are territorial and can become aggressive, especially when threatened or during mating season. Here are 12 factors that pose dangers to the life of a hippopotamus. Habitat loss. Destruction of their natural habitats through deforestation and human encroachment limits their available space. Human-wildlife conflict. Encounters with humans, whether intentional or accidental, can lead to injury or death for hippos. Poaching. Illegal hunting for their meat, hide, and ivory tusks threatens hippopotamus populations. Pollution. Contamination of water sources through pollution from human activities can affect hippo health and survival. Climate change. Alterations in weather patterns, including droughts and floods, can disrupt hippo habitats and food sources. Disease. Outbreaks of diseases, particularly those transmitted through water, can decimate hippo populations. Invasive species. Competition from invasive species for food and habitat can negatively impact hippos. Hunting. Despite legal protections, hippos are still hunted for sport and traditional. Vehicle collisions. Encounters with vehicles, especially near waterways or roads, can result in fatal injuries for hippos. Entanglement. Accidental entanglement in fishing nets or other human-made structures can lead to drowning or injuries. Climate extremes. Extreme weather events, such as severe storms or heat waves, can stress hippo populations. Population pressure. Overcrowding in protected areas or competition with other species for resources can threaten hippo survival. Absolutely, here are 18 factors that contribute to the useful aspects of a hippopotamus's life. Aquatic adaptation. Hippos are well adapted for life in water, which provides them with a habitat rich in resources. Buoyancy. Their large bodies are buoyant in water, allowing them to conserve energy while staying afloat. Temperature regulation. Spending much of their time submerged helps them regulate body temperature, particularly in hot climates. Grazing opportunities. Hippos graze on land, which provides them with a diverse diet of grasses and other vegetation. Nutrient cycling. Their grazing habits contribute to nutrient cycling in terrestrial ecosystems, promoting plant growth and diversity. Seed dispersal. Hippos inadvertently aid in seed dispersal by consuming fruits and excreting seeds in their dung, aiding in plant propagation. Territorial behavior. Establishing territories helps hippos secure access to resources such as food and mating partners. Social structure. Living in groups provides hippos with protection from predators and facilitates mating opportunities. Communication. Vocalizations and other forms of communication help hippos coordinate group activities and establish dominance hierarchies. Maternal care. Female hippos provide maternal care to their offspring, ensuring their survival and fostering social bonds within the group. Defense mechanisms. Hippos' large size and territorial behavior deter potential predators, reducing the risk of predation. Cultural significance. Hippos hold cultural significance in many African societies, playing roles in folklore, rituals, and traditional beliefs. Tourism revenue. Hippos attract tourists to regions where they are found, generating income for local communities through ecotourism. Ecosystem engineering. Their presence shapes aquatic ecosystems by creating microhabitats and influencing nutrient cycling. Fertilization. Hippos' dung serves as a source of nutrients for aquatic plants and organisms, enhancing productivity in freshwater habitats. Biodiversity support. Healthy hippo populations contribute to the overall biodiversity of their habitats, supporting various species of plants and animals. Keystone species. As keystone species, hippos play essential roles in maintaining the structure and function of ecosystems they inhabit. Research opportunities. Studying hippos provides insights into various aspects of ecology, behavior, and physiology, aiding conservation efforts and scientific understanding. Thanks for watching. Please, if our content was useful, please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so that you can be updated with our videos when they are uploaded.